You hear it everywhere, right? AI is the future of business, make millions with AI, but then you see what they're actually talking about, writing a whole book, creating a course, building some crazy app, who's got time for that? Here's the truth, making money with AI doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to be a tech genius or spend months building something complex. Forget the hype, forget the big promises. We're about to unlock a simple, actionable way to tap into the AI gold rush. Ready? Let's go. The secret sauce? Information products. People are hungry for knowledge. They want quick wins, actionable tips, and easy-to-understand information. And guess what? AI can help you deliver exactly that. Think about it. People pay for ebooks, cheat sheets, templates, you name it. These are simple, valuable resources that solve a specific problem. And the best part? You can create them using AI tools you already have access to. We're talking about turning your knowledge into a digital product, something you can sell over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, just pure digital gold. Intrigued? Let's dive into a real-life example. Let's say you're a bit of a Windows 11 whiz. You've spent countless hours mastering the ins and outs of this operating system, and now you can navigate it like a pro. You know all the cool shortcuts, the time-saving hacks, and the little tricks that make your workflow seamless and efficient. The stuff that makes using Windows 11 a breeze. You've probably even shown a few friends or colleagues how to do things faster and better. This, my friends, is valuable information. It's the kind of knowledge that can save people hours of frustration and make their daily tasks much more manageable. People would love to have this knowledge at their fingertips. Imagine the impact you could have by sharing your expertise with a wider audience. So why not package it into a handy little PDF and sell it? You could create a comprehensive guide that helps others become Windows 11 experts just like you. Here's how you do it. First, you need to brainstorm. List out all the awesome Windows 11 shortcuts you know. Be specific. Think about the ones that have made the biggest difference in your productivity. Brainstorm, list out all the awesome Windows 11 shortcuts you know. Be specific. Don't just jot down the basics, include those hidden gems that most people don't know about. Organize, group similar shortcuts together. This will help you create a logical flow in your PDF, making it easier for readers to follow along and find the information they need. This will make your PDF easy to navigate. A well-organized document is key to keeping your readers engaged and ensuring they get the most out of your guide. ChatGPT to the rescue. Use ChatGPT to write clear, concise descriptions for each shortcut. This AI tool can help you articulate the benefits and uses of each shortcut in a way that's easy to understand. Just tell it what the shortcut does and boom, instant content. We're just getting started. With ChatGPT, you can ensure that your descriptions are both accurate and engaging. Next, we'll turn this information into a polished PDF. This is where your creativity comes into play. Design a visually appealing layout that complements your content and makes it enjoyable to read. Add graphics, screenshots, and other visual aids to enhance the learning experience. The more engaging your PDF, the more likely people are to recommend it to others. Finally, upload your PDF to an online store or platform where people can purchase it. Promote it on social media and other channels to reach a wider audience. Watch as your first AI-powered product starts to make an impact. Not only will you be helping others, but you'll also be creating a new stream of income for yourself. Happy creating! Now that you've got your content thanks to ChatGPT, it's time to make it visually appealing. You've put in the hard work to generate insightful and engaging text, but now it's time to take it to the next level. And no, you don't need to be a design guru. With the right tools, anyone can create a stunning PDF that looks like it was crafted by a professional designer. Canva is your new best friend. This user-friendly platform offers a plethora of design options that make the process a breeze. Choose a template. Canva has tons of free ebook and guide templates. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or fun and quirky, there's a template for every style and purpose. Pick one that catches your eye. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts until you find the perfect fit for your content. Copy and paste. Take your ChatGPT descriptions and paste them into the Canva template. This step is as simple as it sounds, but it's where your content starts to come to life. Add some visuals. Spice things up with icons, images, and different fonts. Visual elements not only make your PDF more engaging but also help to break up the text and make it easier to read. Canva has a massive library of free elements to choose from. From illustrations to photos, you can find just about anything to complement your text. Boom! You've just created a professional-looking PDF packed with valuable information. It's polished, it's pretty, and it's ready to impress. And the best part? It only took you a few clicks. No need to spend hours learning complicated software or hiring a designer. Next up, turning this PDF into a product you can actually sell. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to monetize your new creation. Section 5. PayPal and Google Docs, your easy sales system. Welcome to the ultimate guide to setting up a seamless and efficient sales system using tools you already know and love. Time to make some money. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales rolling in, all while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's about to become your reality. Don't worry, setting up your sales system is easier than you think. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a huge budget. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to generating income effortlessly. We're going with the simplest, most accessible tools, PayPal and Google Docs. These tools are not only user-friendly, but also incredibly powerful. 1. PayPal for payments. Create a PayPal business account. It's free. This account will be the backbone of your payment system, allowing you to receive payments from customers all over the world. Generate a payment button for your Windows 11 Shortcuts guide. This button will be the gateway for your customers to purchase your product with just a few clicks. Choose a price that feels right. Even $5 is a great start. Remember, the key is to offer value that exceeds the price, making it a no-brainer for your customers. 2. Google Docs as your sales page. This is where you'll showcase your product and convince potential customers to make a purchase. Create a new Google Doc. Keep it simple. A clean, straightforward document is all you need to get your message across effectively. Briefly explain what your guide is about, highlight the benefits, and include your shiny new PayPal button. Make sure to emphasize how your product can solve a problem or improve the lives of your customers. 3. Spread the word. Share your Google Doc link on social media, in relevant forums, or with your email list. The more places you share, the more potential customers you'll reach. That's it. You've just set up a simple yet effective sales system. You've just launched your first AI-powered product. High five! But wait, there's more. Stay tuned for additional tips and tricks to maximize your sales and grow your online business even further. The journey has just begun. Section 6. Small steps, big wins. Start your AI side hustle today. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. You can create and launch an information product in a matter of hours. No need for a fancy website, complex funnels, or expensive software. Start small, iterate, and learn as you go. The key is to take action. Don't let fear or overwhelm hold you back. Remember, even a small product can generate a surprising amount of income. Plus, the skills you learn along the way are invaluable. You're building a digital business, one PDF at a time. Ready to explore more possibilities? Let's go! Section 7. Beyond Windows 11. Shortcuts. Endless niches to explore. The best part? This method can be applied to virtually any niche. Think about your passions, your skills, or even just things you're curious about. Here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Social media mastery. Create a guide on using the latest TikTok trends. Cooking up a storm. Share your grandma's secret recipes in an ebook. Fitness fanatic. Design a workout plan using AI-powered fitness tools. The possibilities are truly endless. Let's talk about turning this side hustle into something more substantial. Section 8. Your AI journey. From side hustle to sustainable income. Once you've got the hang of creating and selling simple information products, you can start scaling things up. Build your email list. Offer a freebie in exchange for email signups. Now you can promote your products directly to an engaged audience. Create a product suite. Develop a series of related products that build on each other. Explore other platforms. Consider selling on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Remember, building a sustainable income takes time and effort, but by leveraging the power of AI and focusing on simple, actionable steps, you can turn your knowledge into a thriving online business. Ready to join the AI revolution? Section 9. Join the AI revolution. It's easier than you think. The world is changing and AI is at the forefront of this change, but you don't need to be a tech wizard to benefit from this incredible technology. By embracing simple tools like ChatGPT, Canva, PayPal, and Google Docs, you can unlock hidden income streams and build a business you're passionate about. So what are you waiting for? Take action, experiment, and have fun. The future of AI is here and it's full of opportunity. Now go out there and crush it. You got this.